Hi, so this is a voiceover tutorial of what to do if you can't get text messages to your Honda's audio screen using your iPhone. So again, this is a voiceover tutorial. If you can't get text messages to your Honda's audio screen through your iPhone. So first step you want to do is on your phone, you want to click Settings. Then from there, you want to click Notifications. From there, you want to click Messages. And then from there, you want to allow notifications. From there, you want to show as banners turned on. And from there, touch Persistent and make sure it's circled. You don't have to have another phone with the EX models of the Honda. But you do have to have another phone with the LX models, So then from there on your vehicle, on the vehicle itself, you will now touch Settings. Then you will hit Phone Settings. Then you will hit Email/Text tab and make sure it is on. Then the first option is on. Then you want to select Accounts. It's the only option. It's Map Mass iOS. So you select the Map Mass iOS, select and go back to the previous menu. And it should work from there. If it doesn't work, then I recommend calling your Honda tech line, or you can do a factory data reset. However, I wouldn't recommend doing the factory data reset without someone from the tech support walking you through it. So anyway, I hope that works for you with the text messages, and thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and I'll have future ones on. Thank you.